Hello all, welcome to TechnoStack. In the section of working with Python, previously we saw in the section of conditional statements, we saw if condition. Today we are going to see if else condition, that is second one in the series. If else condition. Okay, so let's just first see the syntax of it. I'll keep everything in the comments so that formatted in the comments. So if you need to make any notes, you can make it easily. So how if condition works over here is, how if condition works over here, if else condition works over here is, you type if, and then what you do is, you put a condition, without fail, you put a colon, and then you put your condition over here. If condition is true statement, okay, then you put else, colon, and then if condition is false statement. Okay, so it's similar to any other programming languages, just the differences are here you don't have to enclose it within round brackets. Condition, you can put it as it is. You have to put a colon after if condition, you have to put colon after else condition, and you have to keep indentation. Anything out of the indentation will be considered outside the if block statement. Okay, so where will you use if else condition? When you have to choose between two things, then given a condition, either thing one will happen or thing two will happen. Okay, so these are the places where you'll use if else condition. So I'll just be telling you for your information that where you can use if else condition. Okay, so let's just start with the example over here. What I'll do is I'll first take a random variable x and I'll give it a value 5, as we have done in the previous example. Similar to that, what I'll do is I'll put a if condition. What will be the condition? That if x, we have taken capital X. So if x is greater than or equal to 10, then what we want to print is, we have to put a colon over here. Then what we'll print is that value of x is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, and otherwise what we'll do is we'll print else, print value of x is less than 10. Okay, so let's run and see. As you can see over here, as the value of x is less than 10, it will directly skip to the else section and print this value of x is less than 10. Okay, so let's just try and make the condition reverse, or let it be like this only, and we'll just make the value of x 15. Okay, let's just run and see. As you can see over here, 15 is greater than 10, so it will print anything that is under if condition. So value of x is greater than or equal to 10. So this is how you use if else condition. Stay tuned for more such videos to TechnoStack. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.